Spring is here, and you're thinking about your 2026 camping season, aren't you? Well, here are my top 5 suggestions of things you need to do to your trailer to get it ready. Number 1 and number 2 are both right here. You need to switch out those tires. The tires that came on your trailer are probably garbage, and you need to upgrade them. I went for Carlisle specialty trailer tires, but there are other great brands out there as well. Tire pressure monitoring systems are fantastic. But there's one thing you need to do to your trailer tires to make sure that they don't cause you more headache than they're worth. If you're going to use this type of tire pressure monitoring system right here, these little screw-on caps that go over your valve stem, you absolutely need to switch out your valve stems for metal valve stems. Ask me how I know, because I took my family on a 5,000 mile trip and we blew 8 valve stems. The problem with these types of tire pressure monitoring systems is that they create weight on the end of the valve stem, which causes the valve stem to warble, which in turn chafes it inside the little hole inside of your rim and is going to cause your valve stems to leak, causing potentially a blowout on the interstate, which you absolutely do not want. So change out your valve stems for metal ones, no more problems. Your tires are good, your valve stems are good, it's time to get out on the open road. Your family's excited, you guys are revved up to go, you've gone to Costco or Sam's Club and you've stocked up on your groceries to last you for your first leg of your trip. You drive your hundreds of miles wherever you're going, you get to your campsite only to find your refrigerator and freezer doors have opened during travel. Your groceries are spilled out all over the floor. Your doors have been banging open, closed, ruining your refrigerator doors potentially. This next one is a good one. And here it is right here. These little latches, they're baby safety latches. You put one on the side of your cabinet here. You put the other piece on your refrigerator door. You can now snap them shut and that thing's not going anywhere. During travel, that thing is not going to open up, spilling your groceries everywhere. Here's another one on the bottom. And when it comes time to open them, you just squeeze down, fold it down, but your refrigerator and freezer doors have stayed securely shut during travel. In addition to your water filter that you're going to have connected to your water main line input into your trailer, having good, clean drinking water inside your trailer is also a must. We've installed in our trailer a drinking water filter that's a reverse osmosis system. The main unit sits under the kitchen sink here, and we just turn this little knob. We have clean, filtered, reverse osmosis drinking water straight from our tap. And if you travel to certain parts of the country like we do, we travel all around, you'll find that oftentimes campsites are fed by well water, which you definitely want to run through a reverse osmosis system before drinking. And finally, point number 5, you got to upgrade your mattress pads and your mattresses in your trailer. Getting there is half the fun, but being comfortable once you're there is the other half. And upgrading these will make a huge difference. Just beware, if you live in a climate or you're visiting a climate that has a lot of humidity, you're going to want to put something under these. These just sit on top of pieces of plywood. So we put memory foam mattresses in all of our beds. We live in a super dry climate, but if you live in a wet climate or a lot of humidity, you don't really want these sitting directly on top of the plywood that comes as the frames for these, because you will get mold and mildew. I've seen a lot of people put pool noodles or something like that under there just to create some airflow to keep it from getting too moist under there. And there it is, guys. Those are my top 5 suggestions of what you should do to get your trailer ready for your 2026 camping season and beyond. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you found it useful, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, do all those fun things, interact with us on our social media channels, and follow us for some more adventures that we love to go on. Thank you all so much, and we'll see you on the next one.